Hey plenty friends, welcome back to another new video. Today we're going to be doing some planty chores, watering some plants, moving some plants, as well as spraying some plants for Pest, which I'll be using some neem oil. We also do have a fun sponsor. This company where they reached out and wanted to send a really fun humidifier for me to unbox for you and to use it and put in the plant room. So yeah, I'm honestly really excited. Yeah, let's just get started. But before we do, we're gonna get with the unboxing first. We're gonna set up the humidifier and then we're gonna start doing some planty chores. So let's get into it. Hey besties! Okay, so we're gonna go and do the unboxing of this really fun humidifier. This company reached out and they're like, hey, can we send the humidifier to unbox for a YouTube video? And I was like, you sure can. I think it's a cool mess humidifier because I do like the warm. I'm using a flathead to like cut thing because like I still don't have a box cutter. I just don't need that. Like, yeah. But yeah, let's just go open it. So, now that winter is coming by, the cold, dry air, as well as using AC Central, does make the air pretty dry. One of the best ways to boost the humidity inside of your home is using a humidifier. There are so many different kinds of humidifiers on Amazon or just online, even in the big box stores. And yeah, so we're gonna go check this one out. Upgraded humidifier for easy use, period. I'm honestly really excited to set this up in my personal collection. So this is how it looks. Here are the specifications. Capacity 4 liters. It says keep skin fresh, keep breathing easy. Hot fill cool mist humidifier, 4 liters. Customized humidity, whisper quiet, smooth dry skin, and leak-in proof design. Super duper fun. So how you open it? Got some little papers on how to use it. Getting to know your humidifier. I'm not going to read this because I usually get all confused. I rarely ever read them, but you probably should. Alright, over here we have a quick start guide. Ooh, almost dropped it. And then instructions on the bottom. Whoa. Look at this huge, big boy. That's how it looks. Super duper fancy. I was like, where's the power? Because like, I don't see it. But then you literally just take off the lid and it's right over here. So this is basically it, you guys. It supposedly can run up to 72 hours, which is pretty cool. This does not remove. You just took off the lid, you put water inside and you just close it back, which is really good. And it has the batteries too. You just took off the little plastic thing and then it starts to, it already has the batteries. To raise it, lower it, brightness, timer, and then auto, and then a little night mode. Alrighty guys, so to put in water, you're gonna want to remove the cover. And it says right there to not pass that line where it says max. So don't go over that. Just gonna pour it in, just like this. Perfection. And then I'm gonna place a little cover and just turn it on. Now to control the mist, it has 3 mist levels, low, medium, and high. So you're gonna go like this. That's medium, that's high. I'm gonna show you low, medium, and then high. Then you can put a timer. It also has like a little night thing, so what is it? Is it printed? Yeah, it did. Okay, it's because it's really bright in the living room, but it changes color. That's really cute. It's a little night light. And let me get the controller. basically, this is to turn it off. Raise the humidity, lower it. The little light thing, which is really bright. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. It's on, it's green. And then the little night mode, which basically makes that dark. That's basically, it's a really simple, fun, cool mist humidifier. How to remove the water. So basically, the only difference is remove the cover. You do not want to pour out the water from this side. Anywhere else but acá, but not from that side. As well, you want to remove this. You're just going to remove it. And then you're going to go pour out the water from any of these two sides. That's basically it. You just put in fresh water. That's basically it. Dear friends, now let's get started with the plenty chores. Yeah. Okay, so boyfriend came with me to help out. So yes, I got more plants. Then I got some water bottles and my favorite drink. This is so good. Pretty sure it's bad for me, but whatever. And got some more plants last night, and then last night we also dropped these off. We dropped these off. Gotta go and spray them with neem oil, rinse them off, water them. And then we're also gonna go ahead and set up the shelves and clean these shelves today. So yeah, thank God my boyfriend's gonna help me out. I'm just so happy and grateful. Okay, and that's basically it. So I just finished cleaning the shelves. Just threw a little bit of mess on the floor, but I will be vacuuming that up. Now, we're gonna go and place the plants on the shelves. I did have like one grow light per section, but I think as of now, I'm not gonna set up the grow lights. I have all my cash pots, I have a lot of saucers, a bunch of grow lights that I use. But I will do this in another video. Just for today, I will be placing the plants over here. They do get some light, but in another video I'll set the grow lights up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and set up the plants, or place the plants. So know that one of these shelves, I think it's this one, it's supposed to be in the other way, but I don't care. It's fine. Missing one shelf, but this is basically how it looks. I will be leaving the bottom empty. I just want to be like a little bit more of a cleaner look for now. So that's what I place. It is missing something over here, but don't worry, I have a lot of plants in the house. I'll film like up pretty soon. So this is how it looks, and they will be getting the grow lights tomorrow, but I love it. Alright, Plantcy friends, that is basically it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed to this new plant chores video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe if you haven't. If you want to see more Plantcy related videos, I might go plant shopping after this. Once I'm done filming this and editing it, Lowe's is like literally right over there, and I'm gonna go see what they have. Sending out positive vibes. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!